welcome to another GCSE Computer Science video with me, Mr Goff, for MrGoff.com. This video will focus on the operating system. Operating systems are the software that runs computers, tablets and smartphones. The purpose and functionality of operating systems can be broken down into the following categories: providing a user interface, memory management and multitasking, peripheral management and drivers, user management, and file management. Let's take a look at each of these in more detail now. A user interface allows the user to interact with the computer. The first user interface was a text-based interface via the command prompt. The WIMP, or Windows Icons, Menus and Pointer interface that is more common these days, may also be called a graphical user interface, or GUI for short. Smartphones and tablets use a mobile user interface that also responds to a range of gestures, such as the pinch gesture shown below. Computers have a limited amount of memory which must be managed. When a program is opened, it's loaded into main memory, and when it is closed, it is removed again. For large programs, this may even involve removing parts of the program that are not currently being used to free up space for other programs. The use of virtual memory can increase the number of applications and files that can be opened at once by storing some programs and files not currently being processed in a dedicated area of secondary storage. A computer does not in reality multitask. It appears to be multitasking by sharing time on the processor between the various open programs and files that are stored in memory. Therefore, the more memory you have, the more things can be open at the same time, giving the greater appearance of multitasking. Peripherals, that is, devices connected to the computer system, for example a keyboard or mouse, use software called device drivers to allow them to communicate with the operating system. These days, many device drivers are built straight into the operating systems, and so you may not need to download or install a separate program. Peripherals are managed via a system of interrupts sent to and from the operating system, so the computer knows, for instance, when the user moves the mouse or types on the keyboard, or if the printer is out of paper. The operating system also allows you to set up different accounts for different users. This allows you to provide different access rights to each user, helping to keep sensitive information more secure and minimize the number of rights people have on the network. For instance, the ability to install software. It also allows you to log the actions of users on the network and know who did what at what time. The operating system provides file management tools, such as the ability to save and name files, create and name folders, allocate files to folders, as well as cut, copy and paste both files and folders to move them around and organize them. That brings us to the end of this video on the operating system. Join me again in the next video when I'll be looking at utility software. Use the resources at MrGoff.com to help you revise computer science, and until next time, it's bye for now.